Welcome to Thames World. This is a 360 video. You can move your phone left, right, up, down, or you can swipe left, right, up, down. If you're on your computer, you press WASD, W for up, A for left, D for right, S for down. Well, this is an amazing place here. This was a swampland, and the government put this red dirt, which turned to like concrete, in the middle of the swampland. And this is how the swampland looks. This is how the swampland looks. But is it moving? It's moving. Are you kidding me?
It's not a swampland, it's a river. Ocean, it's the ocean.
They are kidding me. No, this is not swamp. So being that this mangrove is active, it's actually moving, so have a look. What the heck? Moving. No, this is not normal. So to walk very far, very far. This is madness. But man can't conquer anything for too long. go. Enjoy the ride through the forest mangrove swamp. African style. Oh, I was just checking. Don't worry, it's unedited. Everything is going to be in there. And I've got a gift for you at the end of this road. There's a surprise. Only in Africa. This gift, you're going to love it. Remember, this is a 360 video. You can pause any section you like within the video. You can pause at any time. Press pause and swipe the screen, and you can look at all the visuals. If you're on your computer, you press W, A, S, D, W for up, A for left, D for right, S for down. VR headset compatible. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to view where I am, and then I'm going to hush my mouth and give you the prize at the end of this forest drive. So we just left the swamp. We're in the forest, and then at the end of the forest, you would not believe this, the best kept secret in America. 10 seconds. Enjoy and look around. End of our drive. Yeah. So this is the end of the drive. And over here, we do not believe in over here we do not believe in the fairy tales. So this is one of the gods. So you've got to show beach all to ourselves. Yeah, I'm gonna walk in the water anyway. So here's where the Portuguese, the Spanish, and everybody came. If you look out there, they have islands. They're part of the Vijagos Islands over there. But straight ahead would where we went to go to the Caribbean. I know it's windy, but bear with me. Over there is where we would have to go towards the Caribbean and America. So the lighthouse that you see here, this lighthouse here was put here by the Portuguese and the Spanish to guide their ships in to the islands so they can come and pick up slaves. I don't know what he's saying. Hola. Estamos. ¿Ah?
English?
Yeah.
Ah, you don't speak
English? Ah. Hotel. Ah. ¿Cuántos años?
Yeah, thank you, gentlemen. This milk. Yeah,
Dome.
yeah. Como la lloré, como la mañana. Ah,
No.
no, yeah. La dormi house. Dormi. Yeah.
Dumi.
Yeah.
Wa Dumi aqui?
Yeah.
Dumi na cara, dica na cara.
Ah, tu na cara.
Sim.
Mesmo hoje.
Sim.
Ah, dormi lá.
Sim.
É, está bem. Pode ser depois desse vídeo.
Ok.
Como ele visita o hotel.
Ah. Papel do.
Nome?
Yeah, na papel.
É papel?
Yeah, o nome na papel.
Na Carlos, senhor?
No. You don't know me.
A mim pareceu o nome, senhor? É bom.
Não.
Carlos Banco.
No.
É.
Papel nome.
É nome?
Yeah, o papel nome.
Na papel?
Sim.
Na papel, na papel. Só crioulo.
Não creio nome.
Yeah, Carlos Banco.
No, Carlos, blanco.
Ah.
Uno blanco, negra. Papel.
A mim branco negra.
Tu nome é Blanca?
Nome só branca, além.
Sim.
Yeah.
Não, entende?
É, entendi.
Yeah, entende?
Yeah.
No, eu entendi.
Yeah.
But you know, o África.
É. Como nome da terra. E Blom.
Sim, de papel.
Que era dele, seu nome Carlos.
No.
Que é cultural, porque a dona veio e inventa nome bom.
Ah.
E falar de papo e falar baby, you will.